Okay, 26 is which is the slope of the line perpendicular, very important word, to the line this. Okay, let's do it. I take the equation of the line. To see much better the slope, I solve for y. So 3y is equal minus x plus 6 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. Y alone is negative 1 over 3 x plus 2. Now looking at the coefficient in front of the x, this is a slope. So slope 1 is negative 1 over 3. Therefore, the slope 2 is perpendicular is you flip at that and change the sign. So it's 3 over 1 and positive. See, it's negative is positive. And conclusion is just 3. So the answer is the slope 2 of the perpendicular line is 3. Okay, 27 is typical subtraction to rational expression. Remember, when you have completely different denominator, you need to find the least common denominator. Okay, so now for example, 15 and 21. The factorization 15 is 3 and 5. The factorization 21 is 3 and 7. Now least common denominator is equal. You take every factor. When you have a repetition, you take the majority of them. So you take 1, 3, not necessarily this 3. You take 5 and you take 7. Now it's 3 times 5 times 7 and x to the second power. So it's multiplication. You say 15 times 7 is 105 x to the second power. So the LCD is 105 x to the second power. And you divide this and this, and you divide 105. Okay, 105 is 3, 5, and 7 divided by 15. Okay, 3 and 5. The answer is 7. And 7 times 2 is 14 minus 14x. 105 divided by 21. This is 3, 5, 7. And 3 and 7 is just 5. And 5 times 4 is 20. It's 20, it's 20, it's 20. So far we have 14x minus 20 over 105 x to the second power. So you factor out, you see the greater common factor is 2, 7x minus 10 over 105 x to the second power. And this is the final answer. You can leave it like that. Or leave it like that. Much better like that. Okay, 28 is typical rational equation. Remember the idea. The idea is you factorization every expression in the denominator. In this case, primer. This is primer, but this is not primer. Greater common factor here is x minus 1. Es obvio que the least common denominator is x times x minus 1. And the restriction associated with this common denominator is x must be different to 0 and x must be different to 1. Keep in mind this idea. Because we are transforming the equation, but any solution similar to this is a extraneous solution. Now multiply the entire equation by the LCD. Multiply x times x minus 1, x times x minus 1, and x times x minus 1 gets our least common denominator. This is cancelled. We have 3x squared plus something. This is cancelled. This is 2 times x minus 1 equal, and this is cancelled. This and this, this and this, this and that. It's just 3. So it's 3x squared plus 2x and minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. It's 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. What are the equation again? Now let's solve the quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Solution is 3, 2, and -5. The quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 12. Just plugging it into the formula. This is minus 2 plus or minus square root 2 squared minus 4 multiplication by 3 multiplication by -5 over 2 times 3 is 8. This is 4, this is plus, minus is plus. Plus 12 times 5 is 60. It's 64, and the square root 64 is 8. This is minus 2 equal minus 2 plus or minus 8 over 6. Okay, I want to separate into pieces. One piece is minus 2 plus 8 over 6. And another piece is minus 2 minus 8 over 6. This is 6 over 6 is 1. And this is negative 10 over 6 is negative 5 over 3 in lowest term. Okay, now this is a crucial moment in which you analyze this potential solution and the restriction. Wow, look at that, look at that, look at that. 1 is a restriction. Therefore, 1 is a extraneous solution, not good. And the only actual solution is negative 5 over 3. Therefore, the only solution for this original equation is this number. Okay, is negative 5 over 3. Negative 5 over 3. Okay, simplify this radical expression. Okay, of course 32 is no perfect qubit. Let me analyze 32. The factorization is 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, and 2. And we select, remember, 3 by 3. So these triplet of 3 represent 1, this triplet of 2 represent outside 1, 2. Okay, entonces the number outside, the numerical part, the number outside is 2, and the number que stayed inside is 2, 2, que is 4. Okay, now try it now to break it down 13. I try to find the multiple of 3 close to 13, que obviously is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, and 1 here. 12 plus 1 is 13. 12 divided by 3 is 4. This is x to the 4 power outside and stay 1x inside. Beautiful. This is the answer.